Welcome back to my channel, Frugal with John. I have a problem with my vehicle. I'm constantly losing air on one tire. It takes about a week and I have to pump it back up. Now I don't want to lose the vehicle. I still want to drive it. So I find the easiest thing to do is find where the leak is, see if I can fix it myself by possibly just putting a plug in, or taking it in for repair. So I got to verify whether if it's a nail, screw, anything that went through the tire. I already checked. There's nothing on the tread whatsoever. It's nice and clean. So next thing I do is I'll check the rim, because salt and aluminum doesn't really hold up well. Anyway, so the tire's off. And the easiest way to check it, don't mind my mic cord, is take straight water. First thing I'll check is where the valve stem is to see if that's leaking, because that's a common area. And I'm getting no leaks at all on the valve stem. So I'll just put some around the rim. And sure enough, I was going to do both sides if I didn't find a leak, but if you come in closer, I'll have the camera lady walk in and have her focus right down here. Like I say, it's no soap, no water. It's pure water. Anyway, so I'm having a slow rim leak. So the only way to fix this is drop the tire off, put the spare on, or the easiest way to fix this would be just drop the whole vehicle off, and you don't know how long a garage is going to take. For me, I'll take the tire off, I'll put the spare on. That way, if they're going to take a day to fix it, an hour, I have no idea. When you go back, they can put the tire back on for you. But in the meantime, I'm just going to give them the tire, I'm going to run the spare, and I'm good to go. Anyway, if you like my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye for now.